You can feel it when you cross my way. There's something about the way you take my hand and
Hi, Guy. This is our home that floats above the waves and sails with the wind. Our Makata 37 feet catamaran. Right now, we living in Langkawi Island, and every day is a new adventure. Sailing with Makata, the journey of freedom begins here.
And now we go to breathe at the beach. Today we're gonna race. We do some small race today.
We go with Daddy, Mama.
Yeah.
We go with Daddy.
Yes. We go race.
Today, we came to join the Sailing Fun Race event. There are 4 boats participating in the race.
Yeah. What boat you go today?
We're going on Kimi Kimi.
Oh, Kimi, so many.
Yeah, I know. So many. We've got a full crew. It's been a good day. Kimi, Jimmy.
And look, good wind today.
Yeah, good wind today. About 17 knots by the time we get out there.
Yeah.
Hopefully dying down. It's a bit swelly, a bit choppy, but I think
We good sailing.
yeah. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
Hello. How are you today?
From Lara Pinta. We're going for a race today. We're gonna be Kimi.
You go on Rola Pinta.
Lara Pinta.
Lara
Hey, Rocky.
Pinta.
Rocky, come with me. Hey, Rocky, you come? Huh?
And then you think who gonna the winner?
Yeah, of course. Me. Rocky said me.
Magata, Rocky. Yeah.
Give me
Faster.
5. Give me 5. Ooh.
Yeah.
Okay.
How the Fat Cat song?
We're gonna beat you.
Because I'm starting late.
Yeah.
I'm going to dry my washing first, but don't hang around for me. Okay.
Yeah, we hear you.
Oh, yeah. Don't wait.
Now we start brief before the race.
It's fast, with my call is second. At this stage not. But we'll just make that call later on.
Me, because my girl's been dancing.
What flag are you showing if we do 2 rounds?
No flag.
No VHF.
Just
So
listen.
we're going to start in front here. So you can go into the channel here. It's very high tide. It's deep there. It's calm there. With your sails at the back. And the start line is this island. You see that this point on the island on that side. And if you walk a little bit back now, you'll see.
So today we're gonna sail around this island. Today look what the good wind and the rough. Again, I get any stop my boat down on the floor. Just make sure they're not full. Look like Kimi, very ready.
For Lara Pinta.
Thank you. We got money.
I want my money back.
Come, let's go run Kimi boat.
Kimmy's going to win.
How?
We're just going to beat Lara Pinta.
Ah, yeah. And you got a new sail, huh?
New sails, yeah.
We don't have our skirts on today.
New crew.
So we can be on a mission. We can
And how?
Professional crew.
And how many crew?
8, I think.
8.
Yeah.
Maybe you cannot go
Already 1 ton.
fast. Cannot go fast.
I'm going to make them all hike out.
Ah.
Upwind. Yeah.
And you get Kimi song ready?
Yes, Kimmy song is ready.
Okay.
Be careful now. Fat Cat song is louder.
Here to Zara. She hold the money, you know?
Eric?
Hi guys, now we just start, take the boat, move out from the marina. And look at that. I see the and look at the wave. Today was a rough. Today we just do fundraising sailing boat from Reback Marina. Rocky, you ready?
Yes.
Rocky. Today Rocky have Atiki look after. And that one is Fat Cat. That one I think it was James Kimi. Today the weather was so good. It's windy but the wave was so rough. Hey. Now two guys heavy. It's heavy wind, huh? It's windy. I think need to winch. Now we put the mainsail.
Now look like something happens with Fat Cat boat. They try to drop down the sail. The number one still Kimi boat. And the second was Luara Pintra. The third is my boat Makata.
Phết bring the cash แล้ว the cash Kimi แล้วมาบ้านพิต้ากับ the cash Kimi they got it
Now the race finished, we heading back to Reback Marina. The first prize was Kimi boat. The second is Luara Pintra, the third Makata. And Fat Cat boat need to quit the race cause something break down. Today is a Friday. We have night music at the beach bar. Our yachties came to join the party. And playing the music.
Today after we fundraise and then the yachty coming and today also Friday music and so much people at the beach bar and Reback. Busy, the barman busy.
Everyone is
Wait for the heel. Was so busy. And we got a band by Yachty come to play music.
Guy, if you come to visit Ribak Marina, you can come to join us. You can sing. You can dance. If you can play music, you're welcome to bring your instrument and join us. We not only people in Marina, but we are friends. We are family. I think it's time to say goodbye for today, because I need to be back to join the big dance right now. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll see you the next video. And have a good night.
Shine brighter than we sailing Makata. The night is out.